You're so grouchy. You just come home and grouch with me?
Because you respect my wishes a little bit.
You don't respect my wishes.
Yeah, okay.
What are you doing, love? We're gonna watch a show.
Good morning, Philippines!
My toy special baby, my toy special baby. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything. Yeah, my baby na. My monkey, monkey, monkey. Yeah, you monkey. My baby, abdi, abdi. Ginoo ko. Yung camera ko, andito sa tutoy ko, bag. Kailangan kitang i-film kasi sobrang cute. I-film kita, be. Laruin kita. Ang baby nga, baby nga, baby nga. Ang baby, 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 ang baby, baby nga. Nagalit na to. Ang baby nga, ang baby nga. Mama, I'm sleeping. Annoying. You're annoying. Say good morning, everything. Good morning. Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything. Good morning, everything. Good morning. My mother is so annoying. Say good morning, everything. This is excited. This is what's in outside. What's outside? What outside? Who wants to go out? Do you wanna go out? Say good morning. Tignan nyo, sa kahoy yan patungo. Sa kahoy, sa kahoy, sa kahoy. May chipmunks kasi doon. Good morning! Pasensya na guys. Hindi pa ako ng katawan ko. Ito pa rin yung mga suot natin. Nagtubig lang ako ng mga halaman. And ito, di ba kailangan ng light? So nilagay ko siya dito. Para naman masaya. Kasi alam nyo na. Sobrang puno. Okay, so yun. Kinuha na ni Tami yung malaking box dito. So, meron na tayong daanan. And hindi pa rin ako nakapaglinis dito. Ganon. Ay, parang nangamatay yung dahon ah. Ay, namatay siya do. Namatay. Namatay itong isa. Iwan ko kung makasurvive. Tinatry ko lang naman ito. Tingnan lang natin kung makasurvive ba. Kagabi sana si Tami umuwi dito, pero pagod. Sabi pa niya, pagod daw siya sa drive, katulugon. Gusto niya matulog, masakit ulo. So sabi ko sa kanya kahapon, kagabi, sabi ko, huwag ka nang umuwi kung ganun. Kasi ayaw ko namang madisgrasya, di ba? So sabi ko, matulog ka na lang dyan, and then uwi ka early in the morning. So, pero early in the morning na, it's almost 10 o'clock, wala pa. Tignan natin kung anong oras yun makauwi. But anyway, so mag-ready lang ako kasi ito yung mukha ko. Hindi na ako maligo, guys. Mag-half bath lang ako, guys, kasi ayaw kong basain itong buhok ko. So, half bath tayo. It's 12 o'clock na. Wala pa si Tami, guys. Tinawagan ko siya. And then, nag-unload daw siya ng mga dadalhin. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung dadalhin niya, pero yon. Hi guys, ito na yung pinaka-last na harvest ng zucchini. Akala ko wala na. Meron pa pala isa. Nang pumunta ako dun kasi tinitignan ko kung alin yung lilinisin ko, kung alin yung ipupol ko. So yun, nakita ako isa. And punta tayo sa taas kasi I have to open the window. Kasi kailangan nating i-open kasi mahangin, maganda yung temperature sa labas. And so open natin para naman may hangin dito na ma-fresh na fresh taas. Anuhin natin ito para makapasok yung hangin. Yun. Yan. Mahangin. So yun. Ito gustong-gusto ko din ito na bedroom sa taas. Dito sana gawin yung filming room ko. Yung parang office ko. Dito sana. Sabi ko, wag na kasi kapag may bisita, maganda din dito matulog kasi may dalawang window. Sobrang nag-change na yung color talaga. Kita nyo? Diba? Hindi ako makapasok, guys. Oh my goodness. Pasok tayo dito, guys. Pasok tayo. Ay, makita tayo. So, tinapon ko yung ano. Yun. May beanbag tayo, hindi ko nagagamit. I don't know kung anong gagawin ko sa beanbag na yan. Kasi andito sa taas, hindi ko magamit. I think mas magagamit ko yan doon sa living room. Well, kung sa living room yan, yung pusa. At saka purple. Hindi ko alam. Oops. Pag-isipan ko yung beanbag na yan, kung saan ko ilagay. Cigarette brand. My husband is here. He is home. And, oh, somebody's texting him already. Oh, ooh la la. Ooh la la, ooh la la. He's home, guys. Okay, I thought you said you buy one. Give it to me.
Well, I got other stuff I can get to you.
He bring a lot of... This is for the cat's tuna. Chicken tuna. Hey, give it to me.
You got a camera in your free hand.
Okay, give me more. Give me more. Him. Okay.
Where we got room for it. That's gonna be you took
Yeah, I
that.
just took one out, so there's water everywhere here. This dude, every time they drink, they kind of have like I don't know what's going on with their mouth. See, hi. I'm back.
That's all the oil I got left.
Okay, then that's good for like 1 year. So oil from Costco, olive. Okay, I'll bring this down. There's no more frozen. So tuna, turkey, whatever. Turkey for the animals. Animalsy. Natawa ako sa daga ba. Gusto talagang pumasok ng daga, guys. And then, ang nangyayari, hindi sila makapasok. Hopefully, hindi sila makapasok. So, andun sila sa gilid-gilid ng bahay. Gustong pumasok. Mga maliliit man, guys. Hindi man sila mga scary na daga. Kasi kinover ni Tami yung ano, diba? Yung mga bangag, mga butas. So, ngayon, nag-ano sila kung anong gagawin. Kaya yung aso, alam na alam nila kung saan yung mga daga nagsubay-subay. Pumunta sa sa mga sulok-sulok. Hala, this article is probably bad. Huh? Because you have this long time ago, right? There's no expiration date? 2023? Seriously? More Ziploc bag.
Future. President Trump on Hannity, breaking down the first presidential election, next steps in the SCOTUS confirmation process, and more. Sean has the exclusive interview tonight on Hannity.
Today I'm talking to Smoke for Second.
Hi,
$49.99 a month and a business phone.
Hi guys, nagluluto ako guys ng para may gulay kami or si Tami para may gulay itong isa. Ito na guys, luto na tapos. So yun siya. And tignan nyo tong dalawa guys. Gustong lumabas. Bawal lumabas. Quarantine. Bawal lumabas, sabi ni Kim Chu. Kailangan mo mag-comply muna. Naghakot lang kami ng gamit sa sasakyan ni Tami. Kasi marami din pala siyang dala marami pala siyang dala. So, nilagay sa basement. And where that goes?
Oh, it goes on a stereo right now. I'm gonna put it in.
Basement. More lights, Hey, I think you should put the cover to this now. Let me know when you're hungry, okay? Baby! Very... What? Why you're
Because you watch me tell you no, and you just keep doing it.
You're so grouchy today. Why you're so...
I ate very recently, remember?
Recently?
What?
You're so grouchy. You just come home and grouch with me?
Because you respect my wishes a little bit.
You don't respect my wishes.
Yeah, okay.
You don't?
Really? You got nerves to say that.
Because if I said, honey, I don't want to eat that.
I tried to talk you into it, but you...
No, but you don't respect.
Yeah, okay. I don't force it down your throat.
You do.
Okay.
You do. That's why I'm fat now.
Yeah. It's the rice.
No, don't blame my rice, honey. I've been rice since I was a baby, you know.
Rice.
I've been eating lugaw. I've been eating lugaw since I was a baby. Rice, porridge.
And as you get older, your body metabolism slows down and has an effect on you.
So you're telling me I'm fat.
It's the rice. It's the rice.
So you're telling me I'm fat.
No, I'm telling you that you don't like the changes. It's because of the rice.
You're telling me
It's
I'm
not from
fat.
the chicken.
And you need to eat a little bit more of this.
No.
You don't have meat.
If I want more, I will get more.
Okay, I will leave it here, okay?
I'm not starting with more.
Ito yung pagkain niya, guys. Sabi ko, konti lang yung meat niya, oh. Okay, I will give you the rest, the other shrimp, okay?
You know what?
The shrimp in my plate.
No, I don't want the shrimp.
You should do. Kakain na kami, guys. I'm starving and we have to watch Lost. Sammy?
All this time you're starving, still watch your pot.
Look, guys. Allah, he's telling me that I never know how to wash dishes. He always complain about that I always leave dishes in the sink.
All the time.
You're a good washer, you know.
Yeah.
I love you.
Love you too. You're scotch.
Anyway, so kakain lang kami kasi gutom na ako, guys. Grabe, kanina pa itong gutom na gutom. 2 tao yung ginausap niya. Sabi ko, patay tayo nito. Magutom. I cooked rice with chicken yesterday. And I guess we're gonna eat it tomorrow.
You heard Rich say he uses that rice cooker like at least twice a week.
He's a rice lover now?
At least twice a week. He loves that cooker.
Really?
When I get doing, it's just, I don't know why, I just cook it in the pot, the same thing. Now we love that stupid cooker. But it's not like you, you just press a button, walk away, it beeps and stops when it's done.
Really?
Yeah, it's a newer model. You're like 12 years old.
10.
It's computerized, you know, put little settings in it.
You're right. Mine is okay. Mine is nice.
I know, but his is more modern and more
Then I guess I have to buy modern.
technologically advanced.
I guess I have to cook modern. My rice cooker is good. You know, that's 10 years old rice cooker gift. So, yung kaibigan niya si Rich, binilhan namin ng rice cooker. And I guess I'm gonna use this. And gustong-gusto daw niya yung rice cooker. Yeah.
I don't think it's really dripping. I think it's just the nozzle every time you use it.
Yeah.
And it's got, you get a little bubble of water there. And when you push it, it smears the water and it makes like a puddle eventually.
Puddle?
Yeah, because it puts a drip of water and then we pull it and push it, and then keep the legs of the thing keep smearing the water around, making a big puddle.
This is really good. But there's no sauce. For the pasta, it's not enough sauce. It's kind of dry.
Yeah, that's not really good with them.
Huh?
It's not really good with them.
And you like sauce. You don't like dry.
Key to it.
You don't like dry pasta.
No. Sorry, Roxy. No, I gotta sit down.
Allah, Daddy
So
said
why?
none.
But I ate my food.
Daddy said none for you.
Mama didn't even give me a bone. Nothing.
Masarap yung ano nila, yung chicken at saka shrimp. And that's the other one is lamb, right?
Veal.
Oh, veal. And I just eat the other one.
You only get 2? There's only 2?
Yeah.
Really?
Actually 3. I ate one. You have. Huh? 1. I don't know. So guys, manonood lang kami ng show Lost. Manonood lang kami ng Lost. And inun lang ko yung light doon. Pinatay ko na. Yung light na lang doon sa hallway. Tignan natin anong ginawa nitong isa. What are you doing, love? We're gonna watch the show. Why are you doing laundry now? Laundry pa rin. Manonood lang kami ng show, guys. Anyway, so yun. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yun. Mag-spend time lang kami na manonood ng show. No more? I don't know why you don't turn the light here.
Yeah, what's my thing?
Hmm?
The light was on, turned up as a stair, but then.
Okay, so we're gonna end the vlog. See you night.
Hi guys.
You know,
Eye closed.
no, that's why it's so not good smell. That's not really good smell, hon.
Well, about the smell, it's about the disinfecting power.
Anyway, guys, good night. Thank you, guys. Bye. See you tomorrow. Thank you, mga ka-everything, ha? Thank you, guys, ha?
Goodbye.